And it's right after this turn. Where's the joint? Let me go mark that joint. Alright, so we got this bend located, 22 inches deep, and the roots are coming in this joint on the downside of the bend. See, there's the turn. See how it turns to the left?
Yeah.
And there's the joint where the roots are coming in. So they might have to replace that bend. Definitely got roots there. They're going to grab paper and waste.
Yep.
And they're just going to keep coming in.
Until that's fixed. Yep.
Until that's fixed.
I'm surprised you didn't get any of it out when...
Well, sometimes if you don't have the right grabbing tool, it doesn't grab. It just goes, just like the camera just went through.
Yeah, it goes through.
It goes through. And if you don't grab it, you know, with the right head, you're going to not realize you got roots there. There's that clean out.
So they don't have to replace the whole line, just that joint?
Yeah, just they'll have to remove probably that bend and make a good connection. So he might try and explain that it might be just as cheap to replace the whole line, but you know, maybe not. Maybe it'll just be one dig right there, because this here is about 3 or 4 feet deep, and it's only 22 inches deep over there, so it'd be a lot easier just to fix that one spot.